Hey guys, good morning. As you can see, I'm icing my neck. That's exactly the part of neck which is paining a lot. Has been paining a lot for the last one whole week. The good thing is that I have woken up. It's what date today? It's 22nd of July. It's important I mention the date. Uh, Yesterday I completed 100 subscribers on my vlog channel, right? 100 subscribers, so it's 110 right now. I have been under 90 all the time, and the reason the increase was I posted some shots from the protest site which I went on the 20th. So 100 subscribers finally. So I'm healing from the neck pain. It's paining a lot. Thankfully, I managed to sleep. I've been adjusting my pillows for the last 1 week again, because that's one thing that the doctors told me. That's one thing the ChatGPT also told me, to kind of adjust my pillows in a way that my neck is straight. So I've been experimenting with different neck positions, sleeping all night, right? I try to put a neck under my belly, a pillow which is not of a lot of height. I mean, somehow fucked up my neck, right? Because I've not cared about how my neck's been hanging for the last few months. So clearly I fucked up. So I mean, obviously 2 years back, sometime I forget, when I hurt my left shoulder in the gym because I lifted a lot of weight during chest press. It took about 6 months to heal properly, completely. It took 6 months to heal completely. It did heal, but it took a lot of time. So when muscle injuries happen, and they're internal injuries which are spasms especially, so that's a difference, right? Spasms take a long time to heal because they're muscle contractions. If you have an injury, or which is, what is it called? This is word, right? Sprains are easier to heal because sprain is essentially an injury which is mostly on the outside. Spasms are inside, so some muscle contraction happens, and spasms, like even in the shoulder injury was a muscle spasm. Even this neck injury is a muscle spasm. So spasms take long time to heal. So yeah, oh damn, it pains. It pains! Oh god. Suddenly there's a sharp pain, as if somebody is like forcing a knife into my neck. So I'm trying to heal. The doctor, I spoke to her yesterday also. She told me, आप exercise करो और आप exercise करो और icing करो, which I'm doing, right, both. So if it doesn't heal in the next 2-3 days, either I'll see her or maybe I got to go to a different physiotherapist, because I've been to her thrice and she's not been able to heal it, which is unusual actually. She's pretty good otherwise, but I might see a different physiotherapist in case it doesn't heal. I don't know. I might go to her. If she's still not able to heal, then I might go to a different physiotherapy. Medical expense pains, like I don't like it. I work really hard on staying fit, and then I have to spend money on doctors. I don't like it. I don't fucking like it. So I'll see what I'll do. I have dance and swimming planned again today. That's what I've been doing this week, like dance and swimming. Monday, Tuesday. So it's been just 2 days in the week. It's the third day. It feels like it's already been a long week somehow. It feels like it's a long week because Monday I went to Jantar Mantar and spent the whole day there. And after that I was tired yesterday. And although I didn't rest completely yesterday, I should take today more to rest, because yesterday also went for the show, for the swimming, for dance. So I should rest during the day before I hit swimming and dance. I plan to go outside to work, but I don't have the energy. Secondly, my neck is paining a lot, so I don't know. Oh god, I don't know if I'll be able to go. I do have some stuff to tick off work-wise, so I need to work on that. Cool. I hope you're having a nice morning, evening, afternoon, whatever time you're watching the vlog. So please take care of yourselves, okay? And health is important. I keep saying all the time, health is important. Health is important. Health is the most important factor of your life. So please take care of yourself and try to be happy, okay? Irrespective of what's going on, try to find happiness and whatever moments of the day you can find, right? Seize the fucking moment. That's what my tattoo says. It's not about days anymore. It's about moments. And we could die any moment. Any moment could be our last, alright? So remember to seize the fucking moment, okay? Hey guys, so today's an off day. I had booked swimming and dance, but I cancelled it. Wow. Okay. So I have absolutely no energy to go to either dancing or swimming. So I cancelled both, and I'm extremely tired. So I'm resting, right? I'm walking a bit, so I'll complete my 10,000 steps at least. My target for the day in terms of steps is 15,000 steps, including everything. I have completed about 8,000. The thing is, like, between yesterday and the day before, I did 35,000 steps. So 35 plus 10 will be 40. If I complete 10 today, I'll be on target for 45,000, which should be the case for 3 days, right? First 3 days of the week, it should be 45,000. So if I complete 10,000 today, I'll be on target to complete 15,000 for the week. And initially, for the first couple of months since I started tracking steps this year, I did like 20,000 steps for 2 months. And after that, I reduced the target to 15,000 steps. Some of you would know. And since I've hit 15,000 steps, like 1 or 2 weeks I had missed 20,000 steps and then I changed the target because it wasn't making sense. But since I moved to 15,000, I've not missed a single week. I'm actually crossing it way beyond 15,000 per day. So yeah, so that's the target. But I'm on break today. I'm going to Jantar Mantar on Friday, by the way. Come if you want. Oh, lagni paiye badi hot mar jani hai tenu tak ke मैनू आंदे गंदे थट मर जानी Yes, let me quickly in a minute tell you the story of a guy called Hiro Onoda. Okay, he's written a book, you can Google him, okay. This man spent 29 years from 1944 to 1974 in the jungles of Philippines fighting the Second World War. The World War ended in 1945, but from 1945 to 1974 he thought the war was on and he kept fighting. Okay, and he was alive for 29 years fighting a war that did not exist. It's a crazy story, and he was alive for those 29 years, living off the jungle, living off the people who lived around the jungle, because in his mind there was a war going on, right? And the reason I'm saying this is because we need more meaning in our lives and less luxury, right? We need less luxury, more meaning in our lives, right? Because that guy, when he eventually came back to Japan, he was caught and he brought back to Japan. 1974 he was brought back to Japan. He found himself disillusioned with the luxury and with the way the world had changed. So he went back to live somewhere else for the remaining years of his life, and he lived for 94 years. Eventually lived for 40 more years after coming back to civilization, right? What I'm saying is we need more meaning and less superficiality in our lives. If you haven't been to Jantar Mantar, go. Hey guys, the day review for 22nd of July 2026. The day was 7 on 10 because I needed rest and I got rest. Like, one of the problems that happens with me is that I don't allow myself to rest. But today I did. You know, I managed to cancel the dance and swimming classes, and I allowed my body to rest. I'm feeling quite well rested right now. I've already walked about 16,000 steps. So step wise I'm fine, movement wise I'm fine, but I couldn't go to the swimming session or the dance session. One, because I was really tired. Secondly, I had the neck pain, right? So I've rested. My neck is feeling a little better right now. So hopefully it gets worse with sleeping. So I'm hoping tomorrow morning I'm fine. Because I have to go to Jantar Mantar on Friday again. Besides, I did the show, decent 18 minutes, and the funny thing that happened was there's a BJP Adhyaksh in the show, and he was dating a Sadia, a Muslim. What the fuck? So that is a weird thing that happens. So there's a BJP guy dating a Muslim. So that was great. The show was great. The food was all right. The protein was good for the day because I track everything I eat. All right. So overall, the day was about 7. I'm feeling energized right now because I've rested, so it's important to rest. If you're feeling tired, so I talked to Roger, right? ChatGPT called Roger, and it keeps telling me that if your mind wants to go to the workout and your body is allowing you, that's when you record. Otherwise, you're not record. All right, so that's it. So that'll be it. Try to be happy. Good night. That'll be it. See you tomorrow.